Hi everyone, welcome to my creation hug. My name's Linda and we are picking the two semi-finalists. Yes, that's right guys, two semi-finalists for the mystery box for you and a mystery box for me. So the first winner I'm going to pick is going to win this twister. And then the second winner will win £15 and put into their PayPal. So I'm going to be picking two winners, and yeah, so good luck. I'm going to turn you around to the computer and let's pick our winners, shall we? Our semi-finalists, I should say. Oops, the semi-finalists. The winner of the twister will go. Name will go to V at Steals the Show Crochet and Chef, and the PayPal winner, £15 PayPal winner, her name or his name will go to Miss Jeannie at Butterfly Dreams Crochet with Jeannie. So let's turn you around and pick the semi-finalists. Okay guys, so here you can see this is the video, so I'm just going to click the URL. And we're going to go to random, and I am going to then, oops, excuse me guys, sorry about that. And then I'm going to put the URL in there, paste it. I'm going to filter for duplicate users, and for this particular, include replies to comments. Filter, so this was twister. Whoops, sorry guys, knocking the, and let's see how many people commented with the word twister. 284. So let's make a start. Good luck everybody. Maritza Perea. Twister is a game for kids and adults. I love a mystery bag. Thanks for joining in on this giveaway. So let me just get a piece of paper. Now I need to check that Maritza is in fact subscribed to me, V and Jeannie. So let's go. Let's see if I can see her channels. And there we go. Right, I'm going to stop the video here because I don't want to share everybody who Maritza is subscribed to. That's private for her. So I'll be back. And there we go guys. She is subscribed to me, and she is also subscribed to Jeannie and V as well. So congratulations, Maritza Perea, you are my twister yarn winner, and you're one of the semi-finalists for the mystery box. Congratulations. Now I'm going to change this to nothing and just give everybody a chance then. Take that off and get comments from exactly the same. 306 comments. So good luck everybody. This is for the £15 PayPal. So let's see. Good luck. Crafty Critter Christina. Yay, Christina. So let me just write that down. Crafty Critter. And that's Christina. Congratulations, Christina. And she says, this is such a fun giveaway and a great way for us to meet new creators. The twister yarn is pretty. Good luck, everyone. Well, Christina, you have won £15 to go into your PayPal account for you to treat yourself. So let me just double check that Christina is part of Jeannie's, V's and mine channel. So as before, I'm going to turn you off and turn you back on after I've checked. And there we go, guys. She is indeed subscribed to V, Jeannie and myself. So congratulations, Christina. You are the winner for the PayPal. How awesome is that, guys? So the winner of Twister was Maritza Perea. Congratulations, Maritza. And the winner of the £15 to go into their PayPal account to get something that they would like, treat themselves, is Crafty Critter Christina. And they are, I checked, and both of them are subscribed to Jeannie, V and myself. So thank you, ladies. Thank you to everybody who entered this mystery box giveaway by the Yarny Fibre sisters. And I also want to thank Jeannie and V for asking me to participate in this giveaway. I am absolutely very, very honoured. So thank you, ladies. So please, Maritza and Christina, if you will email me at this address, I will get your prizes to you. So take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. Bye for now.